For durable medical equipment providers who contract with hospice agencies, it can be challenging to provide equipment distinguishing you from any other provider. Instead of offering hospice agencies just the standard equipment like home care beds and wheelchairs, suggest and demonstrate how exceptional seated comfort and positioning can be a true differentiator. Drives Rose Comfort Max Tilt and Recline Chair gives hospice agencies access to an affordable, multi-purpose wheel mobility option both caregivers and patients benefit from and will love to use. Let's move on to some benefits and features for the Rose Comfort Max Tilt and Recline Chair by Drive to Vilbus Healthcare. The Rose Comfort Max Tilt and Recline Chair was built with caregiver ease of use in mind, and it all starts with our versatile design. Up first, the Rose Comfort Chair aids in preventing patients from slumping, sliding, and falls so caregivers don't have to constantly reposition their patients. Even transfers, whether it's a sit to stand or a patient lift, they're a breeze, leading to an overall safer environment and providing ease of and individualized care. Some end-of-life patients will increase their ability to perform ADLs while in the seated position, in part due to adjustable armrest height and articulating footrests that adjust to individual height, length, and angle preferences. The Rose chair commonly leads to increased sitting tolerance, giving patients more positions to remain comfortable, safe, and mobile. This means reduced pain and fewer pressure injuries, two of the biggest goals of hospice care. Pressure injury and fall risk are further reduced because of the Rose chair's tilt and recline features. The Recline, which can go a full 90 degrees, helps correct postural deviations like head drop, lateral leaning, and slumping, which reduces pain and fall risk while also optimizing respiratory and swallowing functions. The Rose chair is classified as a tilt-in-space chair because it provides up to 38 degrees of tilt, which fully offloads vulnerable areas prone to pain and pressure. And when tilt and recline are both fully engaged, the chair can be completely flat and even drop into Trendelenburg position if needed. The benefits of tilt in space are well documented to address things besides reducing pressure injuries and falls. In fact, tilt in space chairs, especially when combined with recline and all the other features we offer, help those recovering from strokes and heart attacks, and those living with COPD, CHF, cancer, end-stage renal disease, and many other acute and chronic conditions. Your hospice agency caregivers and their patients will both appreciate having access to a seating alternative that can be used in virtually any healthcare facility, as well as patients' homes, without the need for restraints or other, often more expensive positioning devices. When hospice patients sit in Drive's Rose Comfort Chair, they may not realize all the advanced clinical benefits, but they will immediately appreciate just how comfortable it is. And that's because instead of using traditional wheelchair upholstery, the Rose chair is made with comfort positioning straps. These straps, along with the padded and removable head and upper lateral support, help the Rose chair deliver even more comfort and clinical benefits by adjusting for individualized head, neck, and upper body positions. Hospice agencies' patients and the settings where they care for their patients are varied and diverse, so flexibility is another important feature to offer here. The Rose chair's ability to accommodate patients of most any size and safely perform sit-to-stand transfers is a huge selling point. This is possible because the seat-to-floor height easily adjusts and starts at a low hemi height or just 17 inches. Rest assured, not only is the Rose chair versatile, it's also simple to maneuver, allowing your hospice and palliative care clinicians to safely move residents throughout any facility or home environment with rear directional locking casters. Operating the Rose chair is easy and intuitive, ensuring proper use, in part due to the color-coded levers, which include a red lever on the right for recline and a black lever for tilt. Best practices when your patient enters the chair is to first tilt, then recline. When returning to an upright, use recline followed by tilt. The Rose chair is also very easy to clean. Our robust fabric and parts make it simple to turn around, Simply wipe down and it's ready to use on other patients or facilities whenever needed. We also took into consideration tight warehouse space, so the Rose chair comes in a knockdown package with tool-free assembly, as well as a simply designed back and footrest that snaps into place, helping to maximize your storage space. And finally, the Rose chair was built for the road ahead, ensuring your investment lasts with a class-leading 400-pound weight capacity and a 10-year warranty on the frame. The Rose Comfort Max Tilt and Recline chair, clinically designed with an economical price tag. Be on the lookout for additional accessories coming soon. Thanks for watching.